Exciting news for Trump fans. He is gone but not forgotten. No, he is the last president, right? He was the last president in office, right? Now we have another president, but he was the last president, right? So, okay, this is like so epic. Trump has opened a new office. And it is going to carry on the Trump agenda to MAGA or CAG, Keep America Great, right? Is this not exciting? I think it is. And that's why I'm announcing that the last president has a new office. Now they can go ahead and make his day by trying to impeach him, but it won't stop him from carrying on the torch and the agenda and the cause, if you will, the cause of his being, the values that he embraces on humanity, and particularly America. So I want to thank you for listening about the last president and what it's going to mean, because there's a lot of parallels going on here. Take care, and I'll talk to you later. Love you lots. Bye.